Hi, how are you, man? It's 9:30. Speaking in front of the camera every day until I become fluent in English. Today I learned something I want to share you. I don't have enough time to do this, so I'm gonna finish quickly. But I think this is gonna help you. This is gonna help you a lot to achieve whatever. I'm currently applying this. If you want to apply. Okay, maybe change your life. Maybe it's gonna change my life too. So apply. So the stuff I learned is learning that it's about self-talk on how self-talk have impact in your life. I mean, the way you speak to yourself is gonna be a reflection to the reality. So we say that you start to say yourself, yeah, you are stupid, you're not enough. That's self-talk, and you are affirming yourself that you are stupid, that you don't you don't have value in life. I don't know how to say that. Valor, how do you say? You don't mean nothing, if you talk to yourself that way. And that create emotion. That speech that you tell yourself that create emotion because it's a thought. And a thought create an emotion. An emotion create a reality. So you are bringing that thing to your life. And that's why a lot of time you can't change your identity, who you are. Because you are always talking to yourself very bad. And I used to do that. Actually, I was doing it 2 days ago when I realized about this. Like, I'm trying to be more awareness about my self-talk, about myself. It's super important that you need to talk to yourself. Be careful, because the way you speak to yourself is gonna be a reflection, So this is our application is breathe. Breathe a deep breath, and then exhale slowly 5 times. Then with your hand, put your hand in your chest, in your heart, and then breathe, focusing in the heart. Then you are relaxing your mind, you're relaxing your body, and there is a lot of scientific things behind that. But only do that. And then the next thing you're gonna do is do affirmations. Only one affirmations. Because why? If you do that in the morning, the thing is gonna happen is that the affirmation you say yourself is gonna be stay here all the day. And you know what happened next? The truth. The experience is gonna be, for example, it's hard to explain this. We say that you want to improve in self-talk, you want to improve talking to in front of the camera. We say that. So my affirmation is, for example, I'm good at talking to the camera. So if I apply everything I did, I told you, when every time I'm going to record a video, I'm going to remember that I'm good recording via the camera. And you know what's going to happen next? You're going to like it more. You're going to be more constant in doing that. And that's, I think, we're gonna wait.